when he's on the pitch.
Final round of the 2025 International Autumn Test match. The Flying Fijians takes on the mighty Spain.
Yes, what a play on that right wing, and they get it done, and they go to Joji Nasova.
In their blue kits here today, lost by 20 against England. Prior to those two test matches and this one today, their last test match, last competition internationally, I should say, came back in the third week of September in the United States in Salt Lake City. The PNC final when they held off Japan 33-27. It was a dynamite match. You got a big lead in that match. And strong Ravula. The sun, as you can see, is going to be a bit of a problem in the stadium until it drops down a little bit over in the sky in Spain. The mark call to take hands. Trying to knock that one down. Getting a hand up there was Nasila Sila. But they're going to have a chance now because they break into the open pitch looking for support. Again, that sun's going to be a problem. But Spain put in for 5. To it. Now Fiji, they come away with the ball, and they do it in a hurry. Here they go, off and running, trying to get home here and get the first points of the match. The ball comes out, it's picked up, and it's called, and it was knocked on, I do believe. That's a lot of man coming at you right there, and he can absolutely fly, but a great job tracking him down there, coming back. Short little ball there. Played previously. Yeah, they didn't win the matches, but they were in the matches for the most part throughout those two matches. A top 10 side in the world rankings, number 8 to start the week. Turning and looking, Kuruvoli finds a target. Here goes Fiji looking for help. Ball went backwards, now a race for. Here's Fiji deep inside. Spain territory again. Ione Kuruvoli. Wants to tap and go, gets it. Spain trying to dig in again, backed him up a little bit. When it comes to your broadcast, sometimes you do. Here comes Fiji now. Third time the ball's been in the hands of Mani Kalo. Left winger for Fiji. Fiji. Heard Mick Byrne talking the pregame portion of the broadcast. He said we expect a physical side. Spain going to try and bring the pain. Short with that ball. 13 minutes gone here in this first half. No score. And a penalty kick attempt in the third from Spain that drifted right by Lopez Montempo. Here comes Fiji again, knocking on the door. They spill it forward, though. One at the death, beating Georgia 25-23. Shun Sing Lee was dynamic, 20 points for Japan there earlier today. Now Fiji, here they go. This is what they do. So good at it. Good carry there for T2. Side edge, they try it. And that ball spilled. Spain looking to make a move, gaining halfway, play back. Got a little bit of help now on the near side. Big stick there on the tackle, turned in. Arrow at the back. Fly there, kind of steering the ship for him. Trying to get this home is Spain. Comes apart, breaking free. Nothing yet. Right there on the edge of it. Trying to hang on. It's good. Second effort, I believe it was by at the back. Play, and then Lopez Bontempo drills the conversion. Spain leads 7-0. Collision back there at the 40-meter line. Spain 5-4 this season. Their internationals. Their 10th and final match. Fiji, of course, their final match. Depending on what happens elsewhere. France playing Australia today. Later today. Spain with a 7-0 lead. Fiji's had multiple chances inside and up against the try line, in fact, a couple of times, but just miscues. There's one by Spain. Couldn't make the take, and now Fiji comes away with it. Fiji can put something together here on this passage. Rico, the big lock, number 5, the carry there, and now another carry as they push ahead. Rivoli gets it back. Armstrong, Ravula, kicks to the outside edge, hops up, sets up. What a play! This one will get home. He had a chance to score earlier in this first half. Did Leah Thakanaivada this time? Thakanaivada gets it home and gets it down for the Fijians. It's a collision there, and then look at that thing hop right up. And he thought about it and said, nope, I got this one. And the big man, the big flanker, Leah Thakanaivada, says, I'm going to walk this one right up, take it in. And he was denied earlier here in this first half. And just like that, the Fijians strike, and they're a kick away. Upcoming here from Armstrong, Ravula, Mark. Over the shoulder, tight grab, way out now on the near edge. Laforga breaks free, still on his feet. Here he goes. He's dangerous. Tackle, they drop him at the 22. Spain putting the pressure back on Fiji now. Still working face through face, down on the floor. Whistle here from Schneider. They got the bounce and it went through. 1 for 2 on penalties. Side on top here, 10-7. Stanislav Bon. Amazing how silent the crowd gets, right? On those kicks. As long as they were, what's the response?
As the highlights keeps on rolling, Spain takes the lead 15-14 Fiji.
Rivoli got it free. Trying for a break, trying for an offload, trying to go back to Kuruvoli there. Foot there. Not a very deep kick, and you heard the crowd reacting, but Spain able to gather it in. Carmona gets down there. That ball was free, and Fiji comes over the top and gets it. Mangala reached over there, the 13 there. Now Fiji breaking away. Here they go, getting around 1, trying to get around to second, cutting back, weaving, still going, offloaded ball. What a play there. Here's how it all started. There's that ball. It's laying there. It's available. And then watch what Fiji does from here. Big man getting in there, getting the offload, putting it into the hands there of Waini Kalo. And then he weaves through a couple, gets him going one direction, then the other, and then sees his 9, says, here you go. Finish that off for me. Rocky fight song going there in the background. They put on a show. Great Madrid a couple of weeks ago. How about this carry? Fiji starting to come alive here. Scoring bunches. I had them against Japan in September in Salt Lake City, and they scored 3 straight tries just in succession, one right after the other. They can get you, they can step on your chest, and they can finish you off in a hurry if you're not careful and you're not responsible defensively. Making sure you're taking away channels and playing really assignment rugby. Now all the way at the back now. With the ball, had it. assist there on the last one, put down by Simeone Kuruvoli. Speaking of the devil, there he is. And Echeverry with the throw. On the wrap, into the middle. Big collision there. Pick and go from the back there by Bothi. Kuruvoli. Yep. Easy call for. Here's Fiji now. Set piece down to the 5. They go with it. Outside. Spain trying to hold up. Schneider right there. Nothing yet. Held up. Now, to halfway goes Fiji. Picked up from the back. Good 5-meter pickup. Kuruvoli gets it out of there quickly. Massive collision. Spain turns him over. Things going well for them. The pick, the go. Deep throw off the mark, but they gather it in. Picked up by the flanker there. Hakan Ivana has been a major factor in this match so far today. Close out the season with a victory on the road. This Spanish side is putting up a fight and putting up a serious push here today. Advantage for Spain. Fine. Takes a look, delivers. Lopez Montempo quickly plays it back. Now they're going to kick out into space, into the corner, and it's tracked down back. And back, looking for a push. Tumbling down to the floor it comes. The mass of humanity. 8 minutes to go. Always a big part of the plan for Fiji when he's on the pitch. Comes the line. Good speed from Spain. Here they come, coming up. Creep through there, race forward here. Getting inside is Fiji. Can they gather it? Yes. What a play on that right wing. And they get it done.
And they go to Joji Nasova. That is what he can do. So dangerous. What a play.
The Fiji water-flying Fijians have held on to win their last game on tour as they beat Spain 41-33 in front of a sold-out Estadio Ciudad de Malaga 2025.